In this video, I'm going to be presenting 5 new features of the latest Floe release, version 2.10. First on the list is inbound email processing. As we can see in this example, Floe emails can now have buttons which trigger a response back to the SAP system. Here, I have a holiday request email with buttons to approve or reject. If I click on one of these, this triggers an email back to the SAP system, where my response, along with any text or attachments I add, can be processed. A second new feature is the ability to add attachments to our emails without the need for any code. In this example, I have a new joiner email and I'd like to add the employee handbook as an attachment to the email. Floe email attachments may also be dynamic, however, as content maintained via the Designer app can be converted at runtime from HTML to PDF and attached to the email. In this scenario, we have an order confirmation email. Along with the email, the user also receives a receipt in PDF format, which contains data relevant to the order. Another new feature is the ability to configure dynamic content without having to write any code. This email contains 2 separate headers, with only one visible each time, depending on the value of the company code variable. Finally, a number of improvements have been made to the Email Designer app in order to facilitate and speed up development. One of these is the ability to use existing content as the basis when creating a new email type. This can be particularly useful if you're creating a number of similar email types.